This is a typical breakfast for me. Some keto coffee, which has got butter, coconut oil in it, cinnamon, and coffee, and that's it. And then eggs, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of butter, and broccoli, which is delicious. But that's my typical morning. I have it almost every day, and it's good. And no damn sugars. Not to mention, it's super easy. I'm lazy. I use a microwave. Well, part of that is actually not so much lazy as I just haven't gotten a skillet and a stovetop, and I'm a little not excited to burn my hands, so What up, y'all? Keto Quad here. Just finished up at the gym. Turns out I need to slow it down on the shoulder. I thought I was good. I got in there, started lifting, and it's hurt so bad. And the trainers are like, rest, man. And I just have such a hard time with that. But I can do it. Persist to rest. So yeah, I'm just gonna be doing a little bit of cardio, resting the shoulder, taking it easy. But about to go home, get some food, get some grub, and we're gonna go through the fridge today, check out some shit in there. So let's go. Delicious meal right here. Got some steaks. Finally getting some steaks, some asparagus, butter, mushrooms, and finally avocado. I like to ripen my avocado right in the water dispenser since I can't reach the top of the fridge. Gotta do what you gotta do, yo. Now that is delicious. Alright, y'all. Just got some groceries, just ate. Ready to go through some ingredients labels and show you what I picked up at the stove. Let's check it out. Alright, so got me some brown eggs, some Kerrygold, asparagus, some cheap steak, actually, I was so excited about. Got some avocados, obviously, mushrooms, broccoli, green beans, spinach, kale, and chard. And then some more avocados down there, some peppers, which I probably won't eat while I'm doing this, but this is all stuff that's been, got all this stuff that's been in here for a little bit. Some guacamole down there, so let's go through these labels quick. So I'm actually going to be going through this list right here, boom, and it's going to basically just tell us all the sweeteners, sugars, basically that we want to avoid. So let's look for that. Alright, just for shits and gaggles, we're going to do Kerrygold. So there is 0 sugar listed. It's not even actually listed as nutrition facts. Technically contains milk, so I guess it would have trace amounts of lactose in it. It's been pasteurized, which kind of breaks down that lactose and salt on its actual ingredients list. So Kerrygold I'm going to keep in my life because it is vital to my survival. So, alright, so we've got a sriracha packet from my pho spot, and let's see what we got on the back here. So it's got chili, sugar, garlic, salt, water. All the other stuff doesn't matter because sugar's the second ingredient. So, but otherwise, I really do enjoy sriracha. Seriously though, let's see what's next. So this is one of my favorites. These deli sliced tamed jalapeno peppers. Mazzetta. So awesome, but let's see what they got still. So sugars, Let's see on the ingredients list. Jalapeno peppers, water, distilled vinegar, sea salt, calcium chloride, natural flavor, sodium. Boom, looks like we're good here. I mean, natural flavor, so I know originally we were talking about not having that. I think we consensused on adding it back in. Just stay away from that other added stuff, basically. But these are one of my favorites. I am obsessed with spicy foods, hot sauce, so, I mean, it's just a little sweet goodness I can enjoy. What I like best about this sauerkraut is that it only has 2 ingredients. Cabbage and sea salt. Gotta love it. Oh, I guess organic garlic too. But amazing. Alright, dill pickles. Another one of my favorites. I do enjoy vinegary food. Let's see. It's got cucumbers, water, distilled salt, dehydrated garlic, onion, calcium chloride, polysorbate, 80, natural flavors, yellow. Boom. I think we're good. Yeah, let me check out polysorbate. Alright, awesome. Polysorbate is not on the list, so boom. I really love pickles. Actually, for Christmas when I was 5, my dad bought me a jar of pickles, and I thought it was the very best present ever. Just a little tidbit. Alright, Cholula. This is one of my very favorites. I like it on my eggs. It's got water peppers, xanthan gum. Shit, that's artificial sweetener. So I can't be doing this. Just so you guys know, if you're not doing, or if you're just doing the regular keto, do it with, if you like ranch, Cholula sauce, and ranch is like the most bomb sauce ever. Just saying. Basil pesto. I can literally enjoy this on anything. Steak, eggs, anything, literally. Let's check out, oh shit. Let's check out the ingredients list. Wow! Cow's milk. Ah, I can't do it. Basil. So, I mean, cow's milk, cheese. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to pull it. Otherwise, I mean, all the other ingredients are really good. If you're not doing this extreme, you know, challenge we're doing, then do it. Enjoy it. I would. Goat cheese. I love it, but I already know that's out. Lactose. Better hand it off to my family so they can enjoy it. Let's check out these little guys. Alright, we got some good old Dijon mustard, some of my favorite. Let's flip that bad boy over and let's see what we got here. So, water, mustard seed, vinegar, salt, wine, white wine. What? Damn. Citric acid, turmeric, tartaric acid, and spices. We're good. I can have some mustard. Oh, I'm gonna actually, damn, that's awesome. I'm gonna keep this out and eat it with some steak. And wasabi. This is one of my favorites. It is insanely hot. Like I was saying, I love spicy stuff. This will like clear out all of your sinuses. And it actually doesn't have a label on it, so let's look that up. So I'm actually kind of surprised. It's got wasabi in it, first thing, but then it's got sorbitol, food starch, and lactose, which I would just expect more just wasabi to be in there, really. But let's check out horseradish. Good old Beaver brand extra hot horseradish. Love it. It's good on steaks, all them good stuff. Let's see what we got in here. So, oh wait, actually, one carb. Here's the, holy shit. It's a lot of ingredients. Horseradish root, water, white distilled vinegar, soybean oil. Oh, damn. Artificial flavor. Oh, sugar. Ah. Xanthan comes up. Yep, it's out. Fructose corn syrup, it's done. It's not happening. Love this stuff right here. Cajun remoulade. It's at Whole Foods, obviously. Let's see what we got on it, though. It is, holy shit, that's a lot of ingredients. Okay. Canola oil. Cage-free yolk. Water, honey. Oh, no. Well, that's it. Can't have it, honey. There's a ton, though. I can't believe the amount of... There's molasses in this thing? Whoa. Damn. Well, it is really good. If you're not doing the challenge, then enjoy it. And the holy guacamole. Look at that. Ingredients, organic Haas avocados. Oh, what? I can be eating these? I thought I couldn't. Ha! And there I went and got my own whole avocados down there. Well, whatever, I got more now. Woo! Got your good quality pork rinds here. I like these, they're not all like crazy crunchy. Oh, and the ingredients on them is, well, if we can get there, there it is. Pork fat with detached skin and salt. That's what I like. Got some avocado oil in there, it'll be my first time trying it. Some spicy pork rinds. And then we got hemp seed. So these are really good for you, supposedly. Very high in fat. Let's check it out. The actual ingredients, just organic shelled, raw. Just raw. What is raw by itself? Interesting. But I don't know. I heard it's really good for you. I'm guessing, you know, since I'm in Colorado, they're just trying to support it. But I don't really know what to have hemp seed in. If any of you guys can tell me what I can cook that in, that'd be awesome. It's like these seeds essentially. So I don't know. Give me some ideas, please. Then we got sardines, which I'm assuming has a bunch of ingredients too, like all the other crap. But let's see. Oh wow, fish and olive oil and salt. That's it. I am really surprised at that actually. I would expect it to have way more. But I don't really eat these that often, but maybe I will over this challenge. And then the last one is my pre-workout, which is amazing. I do know that they sweeten it with beet juice, but let's see what they got here. One of the things I like about it is it's very simple pre-workout. It does look like it has natural and artificial flavors and sucralose at the end there, so can't be having this. But when I'm done, be assured that I will be. Alright, y'all, well, that was it. I mean, we went through all the stuff in my fridge, all the other things I'll be eating, and it was kind of mind-blowing. I'm really surprised some of the things that had so many ingredients, like that mustard and even the wasabi, and it's just like, I just thought it would be more simple, but I mean, the preservatives, whatnot, they gotta hide it somewhere, you know. It's something cheap. The sugars, those artificial sweeteners are real cheap. Just sneaking them in wherever they can, you know. It sucks. I don't want to bash, you know, some of these companies, but let's just keep it simple, y'all. Come on now. But that was my day. I'm gonna be eating some dinner here soon. I'm thinking either salmon or steak. We'll see. Not quite sure yet, but either way it's gonna be delicious. And yeah, that's it, guys. Hey, comment if you think I'm getting more tan. Got the show coming up, got you all tanned up, but hopefully my shoulder being all jacked up doesn't hurt me too bad. It's gonna limit my lifts, but I'll be hitting cardio hard and trying to make up there. But thanks, y'all. And everybody keep on their keto, baby. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share. Show the people, y'all.